hard, but you can do it.
Yeah, so.
And we have people like you. Just gotta be honest and just be yourself, you know. You gotta love people, and that's what I do. I love this job, and you can find two people like you as appreciate what I do.
What's up, everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and today we're going to be tipping Lyft drivers. I have $1,000. I also have some extra money, which who knows, maybe I'll be giving out to somebody else in the video today. But today's video, I want to, in all seriousness, I do want to give back to Lyft drivers because Lyft drivers work really hard. I know some drivers out there working like 10-12 hours a day, you know, and I drive for Lyft as well, and it can be difficult. So yeah, we just want to give back and give them some tips, because I know a lot of drivers don't get tipped a lot. And I think we are joined with a special guest. Are there any special guests here? Oh.
Hello.
Oh, who are you?
Hi, I'm Josie.
Oh, you wear the Rideshare Hub merch?
Apparently.
Oh, nice. So you're a big fan, I guess.
Mm-hmm, definitely.
There's no other guests here,
I'm not
right?
sure. Do you want to go check?
Hello, I'm Allison.
Oh.
And we're obviously friends.
Oh, yeah. I mean, we wear the Rideshare Hub merch. Anyone who wears the Rideshare Hub merch is my friend. Oh, the friends. I get it now. Okay, Liz, come on.
Hi, I'm Liz, and I'm back with the Rideshare Hub, and we are the Rideshare Hub Club.
And we got Kevin behind the camera. Before we get started today's video, I wanted to, you know, this video is not sponsored at all, so if you want to support the channel and, you know, make it possible for us to do more videos like this, buy some merch. The link is going to be in the description. We got the fresh Rideshare Hub Trio shirt here. Liz is wearing.
We got this cool skater design.
Yeah, if you want to be like a middle schooler, you can wear that one. That's actually my favorite. That's like really comfy.
I love long sleeve. Guys out there, this is sexy to wear.
Is it actually?
Yeah. It's just cool. Yeah, it's just like.
Yeah, so go buy some merch, guys. It really helps a lot. And if you're interested in becoming an Uber or a Lyft driver and you want to get a sign-on bonus, use the link in the description below. All right, so I'm about to order our first Lyft. How much should we tip the first driver? 100, 200, 500? Well, first of all, what's your name?
My name is Brenda.
Nice to meet you, Brenda.
You too.
I'm Dylan.
Hi, Dylan.
These are...
I'm Liz.
Hey, Liz.
So Brenda, how long have you been driving for Lyft?
For Lyft, a little over 2 years.
What led you to start driving for Lyft?
My mother, taking care of my mother. My mother had Alzheimer's, and I was her caregiver. So full-time job just didn't work out for me. So I thought I'd do Lyft, make a little, you know, extra money when I could drive, and also take time to take care of my mother.
Wow, that's really nice of you.
Well, thank you.
How is she doing now?
She did pass away.
Oh, I'm sorry.
to hear that.
Thank you. But her end of life was much better, I think, being able to stay at home. The highlight for me is, you know, I meet a lot of really cool people.
Have you ever had someone throw up in your car?
No!
That's good.
Don't jinx me.
Knock on...
Here, it's fake, but we'll call it
knock
wood.
on the fake wood. Yeah. You got the candies in there too.
Yeah, help yourselves. Should you
That's a passenger's paradise.
It can be.
Here. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you, what's your biggest tip that you've ever gotten? Have you ever gotten a big...
$50.
Oh, $50.
I did.
That's
Yeah.
pretty
Brenda,
good.
we have a surprise for you.
What's
Yeah, we
that?
wanted to give you a tip as well.
Whoa! Seriously?
Yeah,
Wow.
all yours.
No kidding. I'm glad I didn't say no. Well, thank you.
Yeah,
I appreciate that.
Yeah, we wanted to give back to drivers, so.
Oh, that's really cool.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Of course, thanks for driving. Smarty.
You're
Yeah,
welcome.
all right,
You're welcome. You would have got that without the tips.
Hey guys, it's Liz. We're out at Trader Joe's. It's pretty warm. Waiting for our Lyft. Making our way to Drake's dealership. Dylan wants a beer. I have the merch. Rideshare Hub shirt. It's pretty sick.
Oh yeah, we're also thinking like, what do you guys want to be called? We're like the Rideshare Hub Club, Rideshare Hub Fam.
What about the Rideshare Hubbies?
Rideshare Hubbies?
Comment below, because my vote I think is Rideshare Hub Club, but I'm biased because I came up with that one, so.
Or Rideshare Hub Clubbers?
Clubbers.
Like you're going out to the club?
Hey, if you're on your way to the club wearing Rideshare Hub gear, then Rideshare Hub Clubbers.
Hi, how are you? Good, thank you guys, thank you.
What's your name?
Marvin.
How long have you been driving for Lyft?
About a year. Did more than 10 hours yesterday.
Oh, really?
So yeah, I was online for 12 hours actually. Most of our drivers is what we do. We log in after we drop off our kids.
How many kids do you have?
I have one.
One. Nice. Have you ever had someone throw up in your car?
Yes.
Wait, what seat? What seat?
Oh no.
I have it right there. What are you guys eating right now? So one of my passengers is kind of pretty smart. We were driving. This is actually a shared ride, even a shared ride, you know. He knows he's gonna go. He wait for the stoplight. And he's like, alright, pull over. So I stopped. So a little bit.
What's been your biggest tip? Do passengers tip?
I got one going about 90 miles. So they gave me a $30 tip.
Well, we wanted to give you a tip too, because we think you're such a great driver.
Oh!
So here,
you can put it in the tab if you
here's
want.
your tip.
What?
Yeah. Here you go.
For real, dude?
Yeah, we're giving back to Lyft and Uber drivers today because we appreciate all of your service.
We know you work really hard, so.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, this will go for my coffee, and you know, I actually give it to homeless people.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah,
nice.
that's why I like getting a lot of dollars in here. So I have dollars
There you
over
go.
all the time. I give it one or two, you know.
Oh wow.
people.
Well,
So
thank you
we're
so much.
paying it forward today.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Thank
Thank you so much. All right, guys, we're about to order our third Lyft of the day.
Go to In-N-Out.
Oh yeah, we're going to In-N-Out. Per Allison's request.
For our
Or-
Alright, what's up guys? So we are here with, my name is Michael. So how long have you been driving for Uber for? Or Lyft, sorry.
Lyft, yeah.
Yeah, I've been doing this for about a year now, I want to say. Here you go. I'm sorry, this is a bad angle, but there you go.
Thanks guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You guys are awesome. I appreciate it.
Hi, what's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony, I'm Liz, that's Dylan back there. So how long have you been riding with Lyft?
Driving for Lyft for about 3 years. You know, my car only seats 4 basically, and I pulled up and there were 6 people there. And it says, oh, we just want to get up the street before the bar closes for last call. So they go ahead and pile in, and they all piled in, and then some young lady grabbed my phone and started going through my phone.
What?
I want to see what music you have on your phone.
Within your 3 years of driving, what's the biggest tip you've ever received?
Oh, I got a $20 cash tip.
We want to beat that record, and we wanted to give you a tip. So here you go.
No way.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
We're giving back to Lyft drivers. We know, especially someone
What
like
the
yourself
heck?
works really hard.
Now we beat the record, I think.
You're giving me all this money.
Yeah.
It's all for you.
You did a great job. We're thanking you.
Oh, bless you guys. I should end your ride so you're not paying for this and cutting the money. Thank you.
Here's another 20.
Oh, bless you guys.
There you go. You're
I'm just gonna carry this around. See, look what the Cal gave me. What's your name?
I'm Liz, and that's Dylan.
Yeah. We wanted to
Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Together we made it. We made it even though we had our backs up against the back seat of the Lyft. If you guys get the merch, you too can go to In-N-Out. Your dreams will come true. What are you getting?
A double, maybe fries. crispy.
Milkshake.
I hate milkshakes.
I'm getting a milkshake for sure.
Wait, are you getting your Coke since you don't drink water?
Yeah, definitely.
What are you getting, Kev?
Number 2.
The number 2.
Wait, you're gonna eat a number 2 and then go a number 2? It's like a dad joke right there. What are you getting?
Crispy fries
Ooh.
and an animal style burger.
Do you get them like double crispy, or how does?
So crispy is well done, so it's like more crunchy.
Oh, is that the Rideshare merch that you got there?
Retro merch.
Oh, are you a fan?
Big fan.
Oh, are you a fangirl with the Rideshare merch? I noticed, like, you can sit with us. It's okay, yeah.
Dylan, you made our day.
It's like very zoomed in. All right, guys, how was the In-N-Out today?
Amazing. 10 out of 10.
You look pretty sleepy.
Food coma.
All right, everyone, say subscribe to the Rideshare Hub on 3, 2, 1. Subscribe to the Rideshare Hub. Everyone's like, what?
And what's your name?
Rodrigo.
Rodrigo? Okay, I'm Liz, and then we've got a whole crew in the back.
What's up,
Nice to
everyone?
meet you.
So Rodrigo, how long have you been driving for Lyft for?
I've been driving almost like 3 months.
Okay, so you're kind of fresh.
Yeah, but I've been a taxi driver since 2010. I was. So I don't do that anymore. I'm just doing Lyft, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm very, very happy.
You are?
Yeah.
So how's the change from being a taxi driver to a Lyft driver?
First of all, it's gonna be the income.
Okay.
The income is way much better right now. I'm a single father, so this is a great job. I love it because free time, I have my own stuff. I don't have to worry about anything. I can get off when I want to. I turn it off if I don't want to take anybody.
Yeah.
It's safe.
Yeah.
I feel more safe because the quality of people is gonna be good people.
How old are your kids?
My kid is 11.
Oh.
You have one kid?
Only one kid. He's in the school right now.
Yeah.
This job is not for everybody.
Yeah,
I'm gonna tell you
No,
that straight.
full-
There's a lot of things that comes with this. It's a lot of stress on the street. I mean, with the traffic and everything. That's the biggest stuff. Stress. People, you gotta deal with a lot of stuff. I gotta be always alert. See?
No, that's important. Like
Sponsored by-
being
I'm sorry,
aware on the road
but
is like
I'm
No, that's
responsible
actually
for all
really
you
important,
guys.
yeah.
I'm responsible for all you guys' life. I need to be very alert, you know?
Yeah.
Because one wrong move and everything is done.
honestly, as a passenger, that's super reassuring to hear.
Do you see it smell good? Because I clean it today.
Yeah, I was gonna
Everything.
say it does smell.
It's a
really
2006.
good here.
Yeah, brand new everything. And if you guys see me, guys, I don't do drugs, I don't do alcohol, nothing.
Yeah.
Another thing that is very important, and this goes to all the ladies. Being a single father, I have 2 sisters. I love taking women because my responsibility is to make them feel comfortable. You know, when you're gonna go out, whatever, looking beautiful, you don't want a guy to come onto you. And that's the
Exactly.
truth.
No, you don't want a driver to hit
You know,
on
you want somebody to be respectful to you guys. You know, I'll give you an example with you. I mean, come on, guys. She's beautiful, right? But no, we all respect.
Yeah.
But you don't want that, right? Okay.
No, yeah.
So I'm telling you, that's why I love this company.
What's the biggest tip you've received the past couple months you've been driving?
Well, there's a guy that gave me $20.
Here's a little appreciation for you too.
What?
We wanted
What?
to give you this tip.
But you guys don't have to do.
It's yours. It's yours.
you.
We're giving
Wow.
back.
Awesome, man. Thank you guys. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, it's like
I'm blessed,
it's like
man.
I you know, as a single parent, like
It's very hard for me.
yeah, it's
I do my
you're,
best for
you're
my
doing a
kid.
really good job.
I do my best for my kid.
Yeah, and
It's hard, but you can do it.
yeah, so
We have people like you. Just gotta be honest and just be yourself. You know, you gotta love people, and that's what I do. I love this job, and you can find good people like you guys that appreciate what I do
yeah,
in a safe manner. You know, because not all the drivers were the same.
Yeah.
We're good people, and sometimes people take us for granted. You know, that when you have a good driver or whatever, they don't appreciate you. You think everybody's the same, and it's not.
yeah.
This is my passion. This is what I love. So thank you guys, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you guys. Okay.
Thank you.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Go get some of the merch.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Be a part of the Rideshare Hub Club.
Yeah, join the Rideshare Hub Club, guys, and get some merch. If you get the merch, you're in the club. Next time you're taking an Uber or a Lyft, leave your driver a tip. You know, they work really hard, and they do deserve it. And drivers out there, keep working really hard. Maybe next time we'll take you, or you'll take us in the ride, and we'll leave you guys a tip. Let me know where you're from, and maybe we'll stop by soon. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Like, comment, subscribe, so you don't ever miss another video. We post videos almost every single day, guys, so you don't want to miss out.
Goodbye.
All right, bye, guys.